Welcome to everydaytechnologysolutions.org. Everyday Technology Solutions has been designed to serve as a guide and tutorial to free online resources that may help everyone to successfully complete everyday tasks, find solutions to everyday problems and challenges, as well as to save money. To aid an individual in becoming more technically literate in terms of computers and the Internet. Resources are provided that will enable one to increase one's knowledge of computing devices, hardware and software, basic computer terminology, and more. Resources are also provided to increase one's knowledge of the Internet, World Wide Web, network etiquette, electronic communication terminology and more. Discover how the Internet and World Wide Web evolved from a small network of 4 interconnected computers, to a global network supporting billions of devices, allowing information to be shared all over the world. Access to games and other activities are provided to help in building and reinforcing, through repetition and practice, your newly acquired knowledge of the Internet and computer technology. Resources exist for teachers and students in support of all subject areas in education, classroom management, communication and collaboration, as well as to help learning to be more engaging for both students and educators. Resources also exist to assist everyone involved with homeschooling for grades K through 12 as well as those who are pursuing a further degree online. Resources are also provided for individuals with hearing and/or sight impairments, or other disabilities, in order to enhance their learning. Help is provided for people of all ages in choosing career paths, building an online presence with electronic portfolios, financing school tuition, preparing for college, and searching for a job. Discover your personal strengths to aid in choosing a career path, and determine the educational requirements needed in order to reach your goals. Includes resources to help in preparing for college and all that it entails. Guides you to scholarship and grant opportunities that you didn't know existed, as well as to financial loans and applications. Resources are provided to help with everyday legal needs. Help is provided for finding the best deals and savings when shopping online. Assistance with recovery for addictions related to alcohol, drugs, eating disorders, and more. As you can see, there is something new for everyone. Visit Everyday Technology Solutions to see how it can help you.